Welcome to our guide on making money online in 2025. Today, we're diving into how YouTube can be a powerhouse for your income. First, let's explore what TubeBuddy and VidIQ are and how they assist creators in growing their channels. TubeBuddy offers powerful tools like keyword research to optimize your video tags, enhancing discoverability. On the other hand, VidIQ supports you with video performance analytics and growth strategies to refine your approach. Both platforms have user-friendly interfaces, but how do they compare in terms of navigation? Let's examine how effective TubeBuddy and VidIQ are at helping your videos rank higher in search results. Both platforms have excellent community engagement tools to foster interaction and build audiences. Now, let's break down the pricing structures and analyze the return on investment for both tools. We'll share inspiring success stories of creators who have effectively used either TubeBuddy or VidIQ. In conclusion, both platforms have unique strengths. Choose the one that aligns best with your growth strategy in 2025.